work is that?
Can already tell it's going to be a good one.
Sponsored by DS Plastering, EMPM Limited, Donovan Wind, JMP Landscaping, JDL Decorators, and TSR Tanning Studio. You can also purchase your FMA magazine today at JackHammer UK. This is for the ISKA British K1 title. This is 5 rounds, 1 minute each. In the blue corner, he is representing Wales. His name is Elliot Haynes. And in the red corner, he is representing Legions Muay Thai. His name is Tommy Phillps.
Yeah, both boys looking confident here, looking ready to go.
Huge support here. Here we go. ISK British title, 5 1-minute rounds. Both guys mean business here.
Yeah, Tommy, the slightly taller of the two, but that doesn't mean a lot when it comes to K1. You can shop those legs.
Round 1.
Both boys on their toes, looking ready. Touch with the gloves.
Oh. Good hands there from Elliot.
Nice work rate from both
Tommy
lads.
coming forward.
Tommy slightly more accurate.
Oh.
Nice work from Elliot as well. Both boys are looking. Oh, front kick to the face.
Whoa.
And one returned. Tommy looking really calm and collective in there though.
Tommy pushing forward here.
Yeah,
Heavy hands.
He's holding that centre ring really well.
Whoa.
Tommy nodding his head.
Good shot there by Elliot.
Yeah, perfectly timed.
Good shot again. Right hook over the top.
Elliot's doing well on the back foot.
And that is time and the round 1.
Both boys ready to go for round 2.
Seconds out, round 2.
Oh, heavy
Sharp
right hand
hands.
from Tommy. Heavy low kick from Elliot. I think Tommy felt that one. You see a reaction like that, he felt it.
Don't miss, El, don't miss, yeah? No, good shot, good shot.
Elliot working really well on that back foot though, countering well. Nice knee.
Good knee there from Tommy on the inside.
Hands out, head up, head up.
Really good work from both lads there. Tommy needs to be careful putting his hands up like that though.
Oh.
Nice front kick.
Hands out, good lad.
Nice shots landed by both fighters. Oh, Tommy working hard coming forward with Elliot really clever on the back foot too.
These young lads are really bringing the fire.
Tommy coming forward, now being aggressive. Nice chopping low kick there to finish, nice left hook, and a knee to finish.
Time, end of round number 2. Using seconds out, round 3.
In the middle of the ring again, halfway point. Tommy trying to distract him.
Whoa, good left shot there by Elliot. Tommy pushing forward, heavy low kick.
Nice push kick.
Oh,
Nice overhand.
Your fighters are in the ring, make some noise for your
heavy
fighters.
low kick. And in return. Whoa!
Both boys throwing brilliant shots. Elliot was biting down on that gum shield there.
Tommy really coming forward here. Elliot working extremely hard on the way back. He's firing back.
Nice front kick from Tommy.
Oh, nice knee.
3, 4, 5, 6,
Really big knee there by
7,
Tommy Phillps.
8.
Yeah.
Haynes there just caught with a knee.
Make some noise for these two warriors right now in the ring. This is JackHammer UK. And your winner by TKO is in the red corner, Tommy Phillps.
Yeah, Elliot done really well there though, but well done to Tommy on winning the ISKA British title. Talented fighter at such a young age who's going to go far.